A day after Twitter showed Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as separate territories from India, Twitter's India chief, Manish Maheshwari, has now been booked under the Indian Penal Code. This is not the first time that the social media platform has violated the territorial integrity of India. Last year, the government of India had issued a notice to Twitter and threatened legal action after Twitter showed Leh as a part of China. The social networking giant had to tender a written apology back then. This move by Twitter is the latest in its face-off with the Indian government over the new IT rules. The Delhi High Court has refused to state the new IT rules which require compliance by the social networking sites like Twitter and Facebook to combat online abuse, misinformation and child pornography. According to the amended IT rules, social media and streaming companies will be required to take down contentious content quicker, appoint grievance redressal officers, and assist in the investigations. Meanwhile, trouble now not ending for the social media platform in the country. The Delhi Police Cyber Cell has filed a case against Twitter for child pornographic content on the platform. This case has been registered based on a complaint by the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Joining us is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sipal. What more do we know at this point, Siddhant?
Well, Twitter is facing a number of litigations and cases against it. The recently, you have pointed out the FIR against Twitter India chief, but largely the development coming on the backdrop of the map controversy. Remember, the social media giant in its page had shown India's external boundaries different, and we know that India is very sensitive about it, like any other country would be, and immediately after it came into being that this has happened, Twitter also took corrective action, removed that map. We of course reached out to Twitter over the development. There was no response. But the fact of the matter is that Twitter versus the government of India is almost a weekly thing now. We know that over last few days, number of things have emerged, including it's a key person appointed under the new IT rules which came into effect few weeks ago had resigned. Earlier we saw other controversies, including the fact that Twitter coming out with a release saying that freedom of expression is under threat. The Indian government, of course, slammed it strongly, reminding Twitter that it is a US-based company and should not act like a sovereign. But nonetheless, it is the key controversy or non-implementation of the new IT rules that is the key focus. And because it hasn't followed the IT rules, it has also lost its intermediary status. That means it does not enjoy any legal protection for any third-party content here in India now. So we can expect more FIRs if something is seen or something that of course is seen spreading hate, perhaps is something that will be a cause of concern. But nonetheless, it does not look like that troubles for Twitter are going to go very soon. We can in fact expect things to happen, especially given the fact that Twitter continues to drag its feet on the implementation of new IT rules.
Indeed, and we will come back to you as and when further updates trickle in. Thanks very much, Siddhant, for the moment. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.